Hello, everyone. When you have a new puppy, you do need to get the puppy shots at 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18 weeks. And when you're giving those puppy shots, they do test positive for parvo for 2 to 10 days. You need to keep that in mind. You can Google that. You can read it on the packages of puppy shots they sell in stores or ask a vet. Hi, we're going to talk about puppies and parasites here. Panicure. Panicure helps take care of hookworm, whipworm, giardia, and roundworm. This product can be purchased at Tractor Supply in the horse and cow aisle. Parasites are way more common than what people realize. Where do the dogs get the parasites? They can get it from the mother dog. They can get it. The hook, whip, and roundworm come from the grass. The giardia comes from contaminated water, such as pond water, puddled water. Maybe a puppy decides to take a poop in water, and others decide to drink from it. Panicure is used 1 cc per 5 pounds for 3 days in a row. Use it every 2 weeks if you do not have your puppy on a monthly dewormer. Um, this is a lot of times you might have been to the vet for a first time deworming and been given syringes with white stuff in it. This is what it is. It looks like milk, and that's about it on that one. What is Giardia? Giardia is a common parasite infection that can cause diarrhea in dogs. It is caused by an intestinal parasite called Giardia, which can be found in feces, contaminated soil, food, and water. Giardia is the most common intestinal parasite in dogs and even more prevalent in puppies. For an example, between 44% and 39% of shelter dogs have positive Giardia test results. A recent study has found that over 70% of dog parks test positive for Giardia. An adult dog usually has an immunity to it. It's a puppy thing. Yes, it can kill them, so seek treatment if your dog has diarrhea. Signs of Giardia is diarrhea, gas, foul-smelling, greasy poop that can float, stomach cramping or pain, upset stomach or nausea, dehydration. What is hookworm? Hookworm. What is hookworm in puppies and how common is it? Keep in mind that internal worms like hookworm are very common, especially in puppies. If your dog has worms, don't panic. Give them a dewormer treatment is a quick and easy way to help eliminate these pests so your dog can get back on making memories with your family. Signs of hookworm is a dry, dull coat, coughing, generalized weakness, pale gums. So if you pick up their gums and look at their gums, you're going to see like white, and they'll be chalky. It won't look right. Significant unexplained weight loss, failure of a pup to grow or develop properly, bloody diarrhea, skin irritation, especially around the paws. How common is whipworm in puppies? Whipworms are found in as many as 14% of shelter dogs sampled in the U.S. and 10% of dogs presented to veterinarian teaching hospitals. How common is roundworm in puppies? By far, T. canis are the most common parasitic roundworms in dogs, and estimated 30% of dogs under 6 months actively shed these eggs. And virtually all puppies are born infected in the United States, as estimated 99% of puppies and 20% of adult dogs 12 months of age, under 12 months, are infected. As I mentioned before, Panicure, which can be purchased at Tractor Supply in the cow and horse aisle, takes care of whipworm, roundworm, giardia, and hookworm. The treatment is 1 cc per 5 pounds for 3 days in a row. Ask your vet. I always have this on hand. This is the first thing I do when puppies walk onto my property. I give this to them for 3 to 6 days, along with some other things I'll get to when we reach those slides. Tapeworm in puppies and dogs. It comes from eating a flea. Tapeworms in dogs are common intestinal parasites. While they usually don't cause severe problems for healthy adult dogs, they can be dangerous for puppies. Recognizing these signs of parasites like tapeworm will help you catch potential infection before they get out of control. Is tapeworm contagious from dog to dog? The answer is no. When you are an adult, when they are an adult tapeworm, they'll poop like it'll look like rice and it'll break off. And the dog has to get it from eating the flea. You can go buy this product, tapeworm dewormer, right at your local stores at PetSmart, order it online, and you can give the dosage to your dog and it will. And then I would always assume if you have a dog that has fleas, I would just assume that